try to make our first interview in row of the interviews with the managers and CEOs and owners of logistic companies and who involved in international logistics, China, Europe connections. And today we have an interview with Liliana Krutonog, Managing Director of Malbi-trans company from Czech Republic. Liliana, thanks for coming.
Thank you very much for inviting. It's a pleasure to join such an event with so many professionals. Really, today it was a pleasure to see a lot of experts on from railway industry, ports, and also the forwarding companies. Really good.
Thank you so much. Yeah, today we are in Düsseldorf, and we made a Europe-Asia Intermodal Logistics Forum, Silkway Shaping, and Malbi-trans company and Transvector was a silver sponsor of this event. Also, thanks for support. And I have some question to you.
Okay.
And first of all, Malbi-trans, as I know, has become one of the leading companies in the field of Eurasian transportation in a short period of time, from 2016, I think. What factors, in your opinion, contributed to such rapid growth?
Interesting question. You know, we are very flexible. We are trying to be very open with our clients and to hear all of their requests, detailed requests. And we never say no. For example, one of my biggest clients want to make some train. Always, this is the lady, she compares with the truck prices. It's uncomparable, but she's pushing. We are trying to do our best, and finally we are making the product. For example, our common train that we made from China for her some years ago, it's also was comparing with some part of truck prices and so on. So we are trying to be flexible and always give the solution. And for sure, some of clients, most of them are already part of the family. We are friends. We are working together. We go to relax together for the dinner and so on. So it's like this.
You have a good like aim and goal to create like a family.
Yes, I always try to have friends and to create some kind of pool of people who has same opinions, same understanding of the main things, you know, so it's much more easy.
Maybe it's easiest way for
I hope
work.
so, let's see.
But your growth, it shows that it's this scheme works.
Yeah, we are happy.
You worked for Rail Cargo Group for more than 12 years and spent several years developing the eastern direction of Cheddar Cargo. What knowledge and experience from these companies do you apply in the work in Malbi-trans?
You know, all experience and all knowledges, every day. Every day, really. For example, I was 2 weeks ago, I was in China, and we visited Yiwu city. This is the very big city, and they produce all small things like magnets, small toys and so on, what you see in each and every shop, souvenir shop in each and every city. And we visited them to introduce our company with partners. And we recognized each other because we were working together in 2020 when I was working for Cheddar Cargo, and we created a lot of common projects. So it was a big pleasure to see the same people there. I was happy to see them healthy, in a good mood. And also this is connecting to the first question. Rail cargo, it's part of family. Czech Railways also, and maybe this good energy. Also it's quite important to exchange this positive energy between people, and that's also helping.
Maybe not only experience from work, also some synergy with working with some people, and also connecting with them during the working with Malbi.
Yeah.
And in Malbi. Yep. Interesting. And how did your experience in the One Belt One Road initiative influence the development of the routes offered by Malbi-trans?
When we started to be active with One Belt One Road being in Malbi-trans, the logistic world changed. So the war in 2022, and we were not able to provide the routes, northern route via Brest. Actually, we are able, but a lot of customers cannot do this. And for us, it was a big challenge because a lot of new things we forced to learn. For example, port infrastructures, middle corridor, it was unknown thing. Poti-Baku route, this short railway route, and different infrastructure problems in Romania, for example, in Czech, in Romania, then in Georgia, in Azerbaijan. All these things, this was a big challenge, and still the big challenge. But we are learning all our life, so it's normal.
Lifelong learning. Okay, and for your point of view, which transport corridors in the future have greatest growth potential and in the coming years?
Yeah, definitely middle corridor. I strongly believe that it will get some big input in next months or years, especially because I'm sure, as I told in my speech, the Chinese government is supporting this route. So I think it will be development, and also India and Pakistan. So the corridor from Karachi via Uzbekistan to Kazakhstan.
Like South Corridor.
Yes, definitely there will be big development in next maybe 5 years.
I know you also work in Uzbekistan and have representative and partners there. And maybe what difficulties you see in that region for developing South Corridor?
Uzbekistan, it's not so familiar with Chinese market, like for example our Kazakh partners, but they are very interested to join this market, and big investments are coming to Uzbekistan. For example, what I got yesterday information that our office signed 2 new contracts with 2 new terminals, one in Jizak and second in Termes. Investments to this terminal, there are different companies, private, some of them is state-owned, and it's very interesting how quick this terminal are growing, and we will see. I think this corridor or this country and the corridor between China and Uzbekistan in connection to Kazakhstan or in connection to neighbor countries like Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and so on, it's also will get input for development.
Okay, let's see. Hope that we have we will have some alternatives for middle corridor and so and other ways, and it's increase the volumes of cargoes from China to
Yeah.
Europe, I think. And in previous interviews, you mentioned that your company use artificial intelligence. And how do you implement this new technology in your company, and what do you expect in future from this technology in logistics?
Good question. We didn't do much, but we made something. For example, we have some small program which is doing the protocols after meetings, or when we have just video call or phone call, then automatically I get from this program I get the protocol with participants and the main topics which were discussed. It's very good solution for us. Second, we started now we are testing. We are getting we're getting many requests for calculation. For example, some route, sometimes it's very exotic requests. But as I told at the beginning, we are trying to be friendly and very flexible. We never tell no, so we're trying to solve or to offer something. So for this issue, we started to use some program which is sorting requests on several groups, and then we just see which is having biggest potential, or if we can do this. If not. And also we have some partners with whom we exchange such a, let's name, unusual requests. For example, I don't know, from India to Jabal Ali, we are far away from this route, but we can give this price asking our partners. So this program is sorting it and give us suggestion that please you can use this your partner to get this quotation. And also we still working on the video assistant on our website. It's not ready.
Awesome.
It's not ready yet, but I hope this year we will finish this.
I haven't seen something similar, frankly speaking.
No, yeah, I hope I will be able to introduce it in a very short time.
Oh, I wish you success in this development.
Thank you.
Also, I know you are actively developing activities in Central Asia and the Middle East. And what projects or cooperation in these regions are you particularly interested to you?
As I told, intermodal solutions, number one. With these two new terminals, we believe that we will start some projects very soon. Also, there is a huge flow from China to Uzbekistan with building materials, because in Tashkent, it's capital of Uzbekistan, and there is new. They name it New Tashkent. So a lot of new buildings must be built up with flats, with offices, with some supermarkets and so on. So new city inside the city. And a lot of building materials is coming now. We are trying to get this volume. And I hope this could be also part of our portfolio for the next several years, because this is a huge project.
Yeah, I also know that Uzbekistan and that region is developing very quickly, and they need very good partners for logistics as well. And I hope and wish you success in this area.
Thank you.
How do you see the development of Malbi-trans in next 5-10 years? What you expect? What you would like to reach?
A very interesting question. Some years ago, I asked this question my colleagues, my employees. How do you see yourself in this company after 5-10 years. And it was so interesting answers. Then nobody think about it actually, for such a period. But for sure we have a strategy, and we are planning development. So I think, or I hope, we will open a branch in China very soon. Maybe not branch, but agent, then branch. Vietnam is on the way, and I'm thinking about USA also.
Oh.
Yeah, but now it's not so difficult. Now we will wait a bit, but maybe we will focus on China first, and then we will see.
Globally market, global plans. It's great.
Just because of requests of our customers.
It's great, and for this to reach of these plans, you need some maybe inspirations or forces to do it, I think. And let me ask you, what inspires you in your work? And do you have any personal principles that help you achieve success? My biggest inspiration is my family, my kids. They are growing up, and they every day it's something new. What we have to solve, or I need to advise them, and so on. So this is really big inspiration. And for sure, if you are doing such a job like logistic, you should have iron discipline in the working hours and in the private hours also. So. I see, it's great discipline. I know that you, as usual, goes to the sport gym.
Yeah, I'm trying.
It's discipline.
I'm trying to keep this regime. It's important to get energy to the body.
Energy in the body, energy in the business, energy at all.
Sure, because sometimes brain is very tired and you need to switch it off. And to
have some rest.
Yes, so when your body is working, your brain is resting.
Yeah, it's true. Liliana, thanks so much for your answers, the frankly speaking, and for this interview. I wish you all success and quick as possible for develop your company as you wish, with going to new markets, new continents, new regions. And of course, hope to meet you and next time, next events, and next places.
Thank you very much. Thank you.